Friends, do you want to achieve financial success in this coming year? Want to build your own house, car, and big bank balance? This plan will continue to inspire all those leaders. Those who want to earn big income in minimum business. Do you want to change your destiny with Utopian World? Friends, you are very welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you about Utopian World. This is such a plan through which you can earn lakhs and crores of income sitting at home. Utopian World website www.utopianworld.net. Yes, now we are going to talk about the business plan of the company. Without any delay, let's talk in details. Utopian World crypto-based online networking. It is a platform that works completely on the community. The more community there is, the more it will grow. To connect with Utopian, you can activate your ID by paying only AX or USDT, or you can also activate the ID from your upline. Can get it done. And you can get all the benefits. Utopian World, the most secure and trusted platform across the globe that provides an opportunity for people around the world to unite and stay connected with each other. Utopian World is a liability-free, most stable, 100% transparent and risk-free platform. It is not a chit fund and investment scheme. This is a business opportunity. Utopian World, our mission is to create a decentralized ecosystem that is fast, secure, and user-friendly. We want to make it easy for anyone to send and receive projects, whether they're an experienced trader or a first-time user. We will work tirelessly to build partnerships with businesses and organizations that share our vision, and we will aim to continuously enhance our platform to meet the growing needs of our users. Roadmap. Number 1. Utopian introduction in 2024. Number 2. Gaming platform utility in 2025. Number 3. Decentralized crypto wallet in 2025. Number 4. Own crypto launch in 2025. Number 5. Blockchain and exchange in 2026. Number 6. Wallet app, exchange app in 2026. Number 7. Metaverse, NFT etc. in 2026. If we review about the roadmap, the company has made a very excellent roadmap. We claim that this roadmap is going to be very exciting. If you join and promote this business today, then you can earn income in 5 ways from this business plan. Number 1. Direct income. Number 2. Matching income. Number 3. Level income. Number 4. Rewards. Number 5. Lifetime income. If you join with $100, then you become eligible to take direct income. Direct income, $22. Unlimited direct. Though compulsory left or right. You can direct as much as you can in this business and you will get an income of $22 from each direct. The more you invest directly in this business, the more income you can make in this business. Now you can see on the screen how much matching income you can make from this business, and this income is a very good income. First pair $12 up to 3 pairs. Next pair $10 up to 20 pairs. Next pair $5 up to 200 pairs. Next pair $2.5 up to 500 pairs. Next pair $1.5 up to 1000 pairs. Next all pairs .05. Earn up to unlimited depth by matching pairs. No capping, no flush out. Number 8. If 2 people in your team join this business in level 1, then you will get a total income of 4 USDT. Number 2. Having a team of 4 in level 2 will yield an income of 8 USDT. Number 3. Having a team of 8 in level 3 will yield an income of 16 USDT. Number 4. Having a team of 16 in level 4 will yield an income of 32 USDT. Number 5. Having a team of 32 in level 5 will yield an income of 64 USDT. Number 6. Having a team of 64 in level 6 will yield an income of 128 USDT. Number 7. Having a team of 128 in level 7 will yield an income of $256 USDT. Number 8. Having a team of 256 in level 8 will yield an income of 512 USDT. Number 9. Having a team of 512 in level 9 will yield an income of 1024 USDT. Number 10. Having a team of 1024 in level 10 will yield an income of 2048 USDT. Till level 10 your total team will be 2048 and then total income will be 4096 USDT. Number 8. If 20 pairs are matched, your rank will be silver and you will get a reward of 100 USDT. Number 2. After matching 70 pairs, your rank will be gold and you will get a reward of $300 USDT. Number 3. You will get rank platinum and $500 USDT reward on 150 pair matching. Number 4. Rank ruby and 1000 USDT on 300 pair matching and you will get reward. Number 5. You will get a reward of rank sapphire and 2500 USDT on 800 pair matching. Number 6. You will get a reward of rank pearl and 5000 USDT on 1500 pair matching. Number 7. You will get a reward of rank emerald and 10,000 USDT on 3000 pair matching. Number 8. Rank diamond W and 25,000 USDT will be rewarded for 7,000 pair matching. Number 9. Rank diamond B on pair matching 15,000 and you will get 50,000 USDT reward. Number 10. You will get a reward of rank diamond and 1 lakh USDT on 30,000 pair matching. Everyone can do this business, whether it is a housewife, working or non-working or a student, who wants to earn extra income, or retired or a housewife, everyone can do this. Sitting at home, here you can earn full-time. And you can also do part-time, no qualification matters for this. For more information contact the person who shared the video with you. Utopian World System. Thank you for visiting.